So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to reach and lean back in a seal stretch. Now we're going to go back down and we're going to come back up. And we're going to do that one more time, just so we can get our back stretched out before attempting any backbend skills. And after stretching, I always like to do child's pose to lengthen back out my spine. Now go into a bridge and just kind of really get that backbend vibe going. Now that we are done stretching, we're going to go on to the actual bending back part. So during the back bend, we're going to have our legs spread out, and we're going to have our arms straight by our ears the whole entire time. Do not let them move from our ears. So now I'm just going to stand legs apart, arms by ear, go down and slide down the door until we reach the ground. And I'm just gonna crawl back up, and we're just gonna do this over and over again, each and every day. Really practice, and it's okay if you're just inching your fingers down, just until you can do it without the wall. Then just keep doing it with the wall, and then if you keep practicing, you'll be able to do it without the wall. Thank you so much everyone for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below my next tutorial should be, and also make sure to click that subscribe button so you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye!